What's up, guys? That is your automobile expert Dave Dill, and you are watching Drivafy TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button. Today we are here in Kenya, and my friend here, Keem, is going to talk to you about the Matatus. He knows everything about the Matatus of Kenya. In Ghana, we don't have Matatus, but we have what we call the Trotro or Trotsky. But here in Kenya, they have Matatus. Stay tuned. By the name Dave Dill, the auto. I used to work with Just when we were about to start shooting, this cattle showed up. It's fine this way. The colorful minibuses you see now with graffiti on the body are the Matatus, also known as the king of the street. Just watch the king of the streets on display at night. This has actually become a culture in this industry, and every commercial minibus owner is spending millions to decorate these minibuses. Yo, so this is Keem. Keem, you can say hi to them.
Hi, I'm Keem.
Okay, good. He knows everything about the Matatus. And currently we are going to where the fabrication is done. Yes, where the fabrication is done, because they are not imported into the country as buses, but they come as mini trucks, and the Matatus are built from scratch on the chassis. Yeah, so you can see we just entered the Matatu, and I'm with my friend. He's called Keem. He lives here in Kenya, and he is taking me around. Where we are going now is where they fabricate the Matatu cars or the Matatu vehicles. So Keem, I think we are in the Matatu now. And then, so how many seats are these?
This is the 33-seater Matatu.
32-seater. Oh, that is fun. That is so good. And I can see the entertainment system and others in here. Yes. But where we are going to, I mean the one that they are working on at the moment, are you done with the entertainment system? The lighting and everything, are you done with it? Oh, okay. But you also mentioned that there's one which is working at the moment, right? Okay, it's working at the moment, but unfortunately we couldn't meet it. But I'm sure when we come back, it's either we'll meet it or not. But no matter what, we'll try and meet it. We are on our way to the fabrication plant. After spending about 15 minutes in the Matatu, we got off and walked towards the fabrication plant. This is the manufacturing plant or the fabrication plant, Isuzu. So we are going to enter very soon. Keem, what's up? Good. As I mentioned earlier, the Matatus are built from scratch on the chassis of imported Isuzu mini trucks. These are some of the chassis ready to be converted into Matatus. As you can see, this minivan is being prepared to be converted into a Matatu. If you look at the head, for instance, you realize that the top has been cut off in preparation to build the Matatu. According to Keem, converting this mini truck into a Matatu usually takes about 8 good months. And he tells me the money involved in converting these mini trucks into Matatu is quite expensive. After 8 good months of fabrication, that is the final result.
Isn't this well manufactured and beautiful? The owner of the Matatu chose to have photos of hip-hop musicians on the body of the car. This usually attracts passengers, and Keem also confirmed that the beautiful your Matatu, the more passengers patronize.
Music.
As I toured around the car, I realized it was built beyond perfection and really looks like it was originally manufactured as a minibus and exported to Kenya. This is actually built from scratch in Kenya. I know you find this impressive. Unfortunately, I could not get access to the interior of the Matatu because of some wiring work being done. You have no idea the entertainment system in this Matatu. The interior is full of LED screens and each of the 30 seats has LED TV connected to it. Passengers get to watch music videos and others while on board.
I thought it was just a glass, not knowing it's a 48-inch TV. So when it passes, anyone else will be able to watch the screen. Whatever is being shown. It is crazy. Just check it out. It is crazy. It is crazy. So how much have you guys spent on this bus so far?
Almost 8 million.
8 million shillings.
Yeah.
Oh, so I think I would have to convert this. This is around 800,000. You will have to take my time and convert this because this is 8 million shillings. Well, maybe you watch your screen. I'm going to put the right price in dollars over there so you see how much they spend on when they are building this thing from scratch, from the chassis to a bus. 32-inch, right? 32-seater, right?
Yeah.
So 32 seats in
33.
Wow, 33, including the driver. Awesome. How much is the sales every day?
Almost 15,000.
15,000?
Yeah.
15,000 shillings
every day.
Every day. Maybe it's going to take like 5 years or 4 years for you guys to put this investment. That's fine though.
Yeah, the music.
We went through this small gate to check what was going on at that part of the garage. There was another Matatu being painted and pinned. As you can see, these men are fixing the glasses and also doing the paint job. Some are also working on the wiring system.
Yeah, the music.
These are some of the Matatus that went through same development stages and are currently working. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button.